It is not coming in a proper way. Work on this. Why they are coming very less? ఎందుకు తక్కువ వస్తున్నాయి? Attachment చేసినాం అసలు. Attachment. Okay. You can't see the report, okay? Next time do properly. Excel sheet proper attachment చేయండి. Yeah. Next, remaining people. Okay, let's go on now. Can you hear me, guys? All of you? Guys, all of you can hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I missed it. Chalo. Smita, you haven't done the work?
Sir, I'm working.
You're working. Usha? Usha, what about you?
చేస్తున్నా సార్ అన్ని ఒకసారి పంపిస్తాను సార్.
మోహన్?
సార్ బ్యాకప్ వీడియోస్ చూసాను, అవి చేస్తున్నాను, వాటితో పాటు ఇవి కూడా సబ్మిట్ చేస్తాను.
ఓకే. సుష్మిత?
Sir, have you done just the name? Bookmarking thing. I've tried it, but I haven't sent you the mail. And also I have faced a problem in Reddit, I guess. Yeah.
Okay.
Maybe, I don't know, like, I couldn't figure out what is exactly the problem. Is it Wi-Fi issue or...
Okay. Try different thing. If any problem comes, don't stop by. Keep on doing another one.
Okay.
Okay. Chalo. That's all the story of the off-page optimization. Off-page optimization is good for the companies. Most of the companies will ask you to do the off-page optimization only. See here, as of now, whatever the clients we have, what we're doing is the same thing. See here, my employees are submitting this. For that only, I'm just charging $700 because client need this. Okay. So once again, sometimes off-page optimization, I think all of you can see my notepad, right? That's why we should keep on doing it. Overall, there will be a value. Okay. And apart from on-page and off-page, this is called on-page optimization. Directly going to the page and doing the optimization is called on-page. Off-page optimization. Without going to the page, you're doing the optimization. This is called off-page optimization. There is one more thing called server-side optimization. There are few things you have to explain to the server as well. Why? Because all our content is stored in a server. That is called server-side optimization. So what things we have to explain to the server, I'm going to tell you. So again, this server-side optimization, this is really problematic for HTML websites. For WordPress website, everything is automatic. You don't have to do anything. But whatever I'm explaining today, only for the interview point of view only. Because you don't need to do anything. You install all-in-one SEO pack, it's done already. You don't need to do anything. But interview point of view, I'm explaining this. So this is the server. In this server only, different websites data is stored. Maybe this is Amazon, this is Flipkart, this is ODMT, like the websites. Now, this is the globe, and people from different countries searching for something. Now assume that one guy from India searching for ODMT website. As of now, ODMT have 3 pages only. Assume that ODMT have 1000 pages. When this guy is searching for course curriculum in ODMT, this request will go to server. Server will start searching where is ODMT. First server find where is ODMT. In this ODMT website, where is the course curriculum page? There are different pages. So it will find where is the course curriculum page. And this page only give to the user. ODMT have 1000 pages only. Assume. It's not a big deal for a server to fetch the pages. But if you see Amazon have 30 crore products. 30 crore products are there in Amazon. So when a person requests the shoes, buy shoes on Amazon, this request will go to Amazon. But Amazon, the server, have to search 30 crore products, which is very tough. That's why results will be late. Because there is a lot of data over there. Fetching them is really tough for them. Okay. So in this case, user will get the results very late. To make this process faster, we have to give a map to the server. It's a map, naksha, telling that you're looking for a shoes, go to this categories. Okay, apparel, go to this category. Laptops, go to this category. In such a way, we have to give a map. That is called a sitemap. Sitemap. Whenever you give a sitemap, the sitemap is just like a map to the server that how the website pages have been distributed and how fast you have to retrieve. Whenever server have a sitemap, server feels very happy and it will give very fast information. We told that Google have a 200 factors to judge your rank, title, description, such a way. Having a sitemap also one parameter. If you don't have a sitemap, means your website is doing a mistake. Let's take one example. Tech.oz.in. It's gone. It expired. I told you all of you to install SEO Quake. SEO Quake will do many things. So once you click on this page info, diagnosis, it will tell you what is missing, title is missing, description is missing, because as of now, it's just a landing page. I didn't do any SEO. In January, we will be doing it. When you scroll down, what is missing, it will tell you. It is telling you that already sitemap is there on the website, but I never submit a sitemap only because all-in-one SEO pack only this is coming. I want to see some other website which is not done. What? All of you are using all-in-one SEO pack. But if you're not using all-in-one SEO pack, it will tell you that, okay, this sitemap is not available, it will show into Mac. Then install all-in-one SEO pack, it will be done. But people who are using HTML website, how to submit a sitemap? When it comes to us, we have a plugin. The plugin will take care of sitemaps. But HTML people, how they do it, I'm going to show you. For your knowledge, you can remember. So let me write here what is sitemap. Sitemap is a map given to server, fetch the pages very fast. And this is a good ranking factor for the Google as well. Sitemaps are two types. XML sitemaps and HTML sitemaps. As of now, what are you talking about is XML sitemaps only. Why? Because you're talking about server-side optimization. Server only understand XML language. What are the script you're writing for the server? It will understand only XML language. Why are we submitting XML sitemap? Because whenever the website have too many pages, server is the only one who fetch the pages. So it will be very tough for them. That's why you'll be writing in a XML language. What is this HTML sitemaps? HTML sitemaps, I'll tell you what it is. Open Amazon. Amazon have 30 crore products. But how they convey 30 crore products in a single website homepage? That's what they done. See, they gave all the links, proper links. And in the menu as well, they gave a categories. You know what? These are all maps only. These are all the HTML links. So for the user navigation, they created proper categories. This is called HTML sitemap for the user. So HTML sitemap is for the user only. This is nothing but properly giving the links in the menu, footer, something. And this is for the server. How to get HTML sitemap means nothing. Giving a proper links in the header, footer is called HTML sitemap. Now we're going to tell you how to give XML sitemap. For WordPress, we have all-in-one SEO pack or used. Don't need to do anything. But if it is a HTML or PHP websites, what you have to do is you have to manually download a sitemap. How to download? There is a website called xml-sitemaps.com. You have to go there and you have to download the sitemap. I'm going to show you how to do that. xml-sitemaps. This is the website. You have to go to this website and whatever their website is, type the website name. After that, you are generating a sitemap for ODMP. Then click on the start. Come to this website, enter and start. Then what this website will do, this website will completely gather the information. It will crawl every page. How many pages are there? See, it's crawling. Then it will create a map. And specialty of this website is it will create a map in XML language. That you have to download. Now it is ready. Even if you have a website which is 1 lakh pages also, it will generate. Maybe you need a premium version, but up to 1000 pages it will do free. 1000 to 2000 pages it will give free. So download your XML sitemap file. Oh, they're done already. They're done a mapping everything. So this is the file. What is there in the file is XML language. We don't understand, but server will understand. Just open it. Try to read the content. So it's clearly mentioned that this is the XML sitemap. This is the shortest path of going to home page. This is the shortest path of going to contact us. This is the shortest path of going to apparel. In such a way, everything it is written in XML language. So it is a map for the server. This file, what are the file you downloaded? The file name is called sitemap.xml. I will show you the file. It came in the download button. Yeah, see, this is sitemap.xml file for them. Because you don't know anything about the server, you will lose it. That's why your job is to download the XML file only and give it to your developer. He will take care of it. He will submit to that. When it comes to WordPress, it's automatic. Only problem is the developer only. And I'm going to show you how developer also do this. What he will do it. You don't have to remember this. But see, there is something called FileZilla. FileZilla software. They will be downloading this software. Once they download the software, it will look like this. So this is the software. All HTML people, what they do is they create pages in Notepad. They write a code in Notepad, home.html, about us.html, and it will be there in his laptop. So from the laptop to server, they have to connect. To connect to the server, they have to install the FileZilla. Then here, whether you have a GoDaddy or Bluehost account, here they'll give you credentials. Then they'll be connecting to the server. Right hand side is the server information. Left hand side is all the local files on your laptop. Now, Just now you created home.html, about.html, right? One by one you have to submit like this. That's why someone asked the question, what is static and dynamic? Static website is this only. Everything you have to do manually. You create one page, it is not published, you have to do manually. Whereas a WordPress, you create right now, click on publish, it's dynamic. In the same way, just now we downloaded a sitemap.xml, right? It will be there here. Select and submit to the root folder. This is how they'll be doing it. You never will get a chance to do it. Just remember the process. You don't have to do it. Because this is, if you done in a wrong, files will corrupt, complete website will go. Yesterday, I was working on my client website. This website is already set. I don't have to touch anything. This SEO also working very good actually. Client always want a beautiful website. I tried to convince them that a beautiful website is not required. Everything in mobile phone it looks same only. But only for his convenience, I started uploading one paid theme. So I took one theme. Sorry, man, we should not work on this. Just talk about this. This designing enough. It's generating $20,000. Leave it like that only. Remaining we'll work on the Williams website. Here, whatever change you want, I can do it. Because this is a fresh new website. If the website collapses, also no problem. He agreed it. And once I come back from January, Shabri, we'll be working on this website only. So be careful, or else be patient on changing the things. Don't become panic. The complete website modified actually. So I took some women apparel theme actually. So complete. This is a cosmetic. The women apparel products have been placed here. So I've researched all the 1,000 products, removed the unwanted one. It took much time for me. Okay. Conclusion. Every website, not only 1,000 pages, Google made it mandatory that every website should have a sitemap. Sitemap is a map given to the server. Why this is important? Because whenever a customer is searching for a web page, server have to search everything. So to make this process faster, we have to give a map. So WordPress website people don't need to panic because you have all-in-one SEO pack and yours, it will be fine. Only HTML people only have two problem. So here you have to download xml-sitemaps.com. There you enter your URL. Once you enter your URL, then it will scan everything. There will be a file will be downloaded. The file name is called sitemap.xml. Sitemap.xml. This file you have to submit to the root folder. So I explained how they submit the root folder with the help of FileZilla. This process we don't require. Just give it to the website developer. He will take care of it. This is about sitemaps. Any questions? And I want to know how sitemaps looks. I will show some example. What is root folder? Now this is website called Digital Nest. Okay, when I click on About Us, it will become digitalnest.in/About Us. So till here is a root folder. /digitalnest.in is a root folder. Any file you upload, it will become /About Us, /career, /login. In the same way, your sitemap also will upload like this only. Sitemap.xml. You go to any website, type their website name /sitemap.xml. You can see that there is a map already. This is how you can find out how many pages they have. This is one hack. Now when I type, see, you can clearly see that Digital Nest using Yoast SEO, and these are their pages. So they have a separate sitemap for pages for post. 2022, December 28th, last updated. Post is last updated 2021. When I click on this pages sitemap, now you can see this is the easy technique of hacking your competitors. So they have a pages called Angular 6 training, careers, thank you, full stack development. And if you click on that, you can see the pages as well. So go to any website and check the maps like this. This information server will access. Someone search like AWS training, it will find it fast and it will give this page. Understood, guys? Any questions on this? Sitemap?
No, Andy.
No.
Right.
I think in some websites they mention in the footer the sitemap link.
That is a HTML sitemap.
Okay.
Okay, whatever they gave in the footer, HTML sitemap, because they gave means for the user navigation only. You are able to see. Okay, something user can see means that is for the user only. Server don't need to do this. If you want to show it to the server, this is only the process. So for them, sitemap means they're giving a process for the user only. Okay. Next, there is something called robots.txt and HT access direct. I don't want to spend more time on that because you will get confused. I'll make it easy. Let me open. Now MBA dot. Let's see the website. Website. First of all, you don't know sitemap, so you never submitted. Let us check whether the sitemap is submitted or not. See, it's already showing that it's submitted already. Your website contains an XML sitemap because he's using all-in-one SEO pack. I want you people to spend more time on all-in-one SEO pack. They give you so many knowledge, like setup word, videos are there, and any mistakes are there also they tell you. Read all-in-one SEO user guide, SEO analysis, local SEO. Local SEO is nothing but Google My Business. We explained, right? Improve local SEO rankings with a schema for business address, open hours, contact, sitemaps. Manage all your sitemaps settings, including XML, video. So they're taking care of the sitemaps. Enable sitemap. Automatically it is enabled. If you don't enable, problem is there. Now see nbo.odmt.in/sitemap.xml. Without your knowledge, already it is done. It is clearly showing that pages 1, categories 3, post 11. Means all your posts have been done here. And what are the posts? Adi Purish movie. This is how I can see how many posts you have done here. And last updated when also it is there. Right. Next, let's talk about something else. Your website have home page, about us page, contact us page, payments page also there, and terms and conditions. Terms and conditions of your website. Right. Now, we have to submit the website to the search console. That is not mandatory. Even if you don't submit, also crawler will come, but it takes time. That's why we're submitting. Generally, we need home page, about us, contact us page to be crawled. We never submit this because these are not required for us. But whether you submit or not, these also will get crawled. These get crawled means these also have a chance of coming on Google, someone searching. Now, someone searching on Google like best digital marketing course in Hyderabad. This is the keyword they searched. When your homepage came on top, once again, let's Auram Zataisa. So when you search for a keyword, digital marketing course in Hyderabad, ODM to homepage coming, I'm very happy. About us, contact us also, no problem. But someone searching for digital marketing course in Hyderabad, suddenly payment page is coming. And it is asking you to make the payment so that I'll tell you which is the best digital marketing course in Hyderabad. That is not correct. So, in your website, not every page is required to get crawled. First of all, what I said, you don't need to crawl anything, Google will come. If Google is not coming, you have a mechanism of crawling it through Search Console. But you're telling that I don't want one page to be crawled. How to do that? You have to tell to Google that, okay, Google, please don't crawl this, I don't require. Because I can't delete this page. If I delete it, it's not a solution. Because people have to make the payment. This has to be there on my website, but Google should not crawl. This mechanism is called robots.txt. Robot.txt is a method of telling crawler to not crawl a particular page. How to do this? Again, this process is very easy in WordPress, very tough in HTML. So you are a WordPress user, directly go to pages and you already have all-in-one SEO pack. So this privacy policy, you don't want to crawl. Go to the particular page. By default, every page is crawlable. If you don't want anything to be crawled, what you have to do? So go to the particular page, scroll down. So you have option of title, description options are there, but here some other options are there. Social, schema, link assistant, redirect, advanced. So go for advanced. Can you see robots.settings? Use default settings are there. Use default setting means by default crawl it. Just click on this. Now you have an option. No index. When you click on no index means this page will never get indexed. Remember this. Because I don't want this. So our process is now, some pages are not all required. That's why we're doing like this. In WordPress, this is the easy process. But if it is an HTML website, you have to write some code. And again, same like a sitemap, you have to submit to the root folder in FileZilla. Okay. So you don't have to remember that, but I'm showing you how to do that. You want to do that, go to Google. Instead of you writing the code, robots.txt generator, type something like this. There are some tools will come. What they do is, you don't need to write the code, they only generate it. I'll try to find the easy one. There are so many toughest one. Yeah. This is only after remember user agent disallow. So I've been to this guy, who is this guy? Ian.write. Yeah, this guy have been there. So here disallow all, then you got the code user agent disallow / colon, or else just create it. See, one file has been downloaded, robots.txt file. So I selected and I've been to this website and I selected disallow. Disallow means don't allow them to crawl. Then I got some code I created because you can't remember, that's why we're downloading. If you remember, it's easy. Open. Now what pages you want to disallow? Write those pages. I don't want payments page to be disallow. Next, disallow colon, one more page you want to not crawl, like terms and conditions. That's it. Same. This information you have to give it to the server. So give it to the developer, he will submit, or else he will go to the FileZilla, he will be doing it. See, we have a file called robots.txt now. Previously, we have a file of sitemap. Now we have a file of robot.txt. So these two files. Dragging in the home page, desktop.
So first నా దగ్గర ఒక రోబోట్స్ ఫైల్ ఉంది, మీకు షేర్ చేయమంటారా సార్?
ఏంటండి?
robots.txt ఫైల్ ఒకటి ఉంది నా దగ్గర, మీకు పంపించమంటే ఒకసారి పంపిస్తాను. అంటే వీళ్ళకి ఇంకా
మెయిల్ అంటే మీరు చేశారా అది?
లేదు, నేను ఒక టూల్, ఒక వెబ్సైట్ చేస్తున్నా అన్నాను కదా, ఈ-కామర్స్, అందులో జనరేట్ అయింది.
పంపించండి. Again, if you go to any website also, if you type, you can see what are they disallowing it.
షేర్ చేశానండి ఈమెయిల్.
Yeah. So robo.txt automatically generated by PrestaShop e-commerce open source solutions. This file is to prevent the crawling and indexing of certain parts. Here, this file is to prevent the crawling and indexing of certain parts of our site by web crawlers and spiders run by sites like Yahoo, Google, by telling these robots where not to go on your site. You have bandwidth and server resources. For more information about robotics standard, okay. Robo.txt.org. Okay, there is a official website for them. Robo.txt.org. So there is a separate website. You can go to them. Very simple page. Okay. Now see here. Disallow. Whatever the disallow means, these pages will not crawl. Let's see what are the disallow pages are there. Allow, leave it. By default, everything is allow. Disallow is order, tag, currency, search query, back, order, tag, ID, currency, search query. People search in the website, right? Amazon. So what are the queries there that should not be indexed? And there are some tags they don't want to index. There is a currency that is also they don't want to index. So like this, whatever they want to disallow it. Account page is there. Every customer create an account. Again, that should not be there in the Google. They did it. So if you use all-in-one SEO pack, automatically these things will be created. So as of now, disallow. As of now, in order B2 supply, what is disallowed? You can see here. Disallowed WP admin. You know, website name / WP admin. That is also one page. That should not be indexed, right? Then everybody can see it. So that is the only thing we stopped till now. These are the things we're not done. But if you want to specify like this, you can specify like this. This is complex anyway. As of now, let me stick to the simple. But you understood the main thing. What is robo.txt? Robo.txt is a method of telling a crawler to not crawl a particular page. In WordPress, this is very, very simple. Go to the particular page. Okay, once again, I'm showing you how to not a particular crawl. Go to particular page. Whatever the page is there, select the page. Scroll down. You have many options. Go for advanced. Here, robo.setting is there. By default, it is allowed. Just select no index. Update. If it is a HTML website, just Google it, robo.txt generator. Select any one of them and being to this website. Just create it and disallow / the particular page link you give it. That's enough. It will be done. So disallow / the particular page developer sitemap robo.txt. But both of them are telling you, your WordPress users, you don't need to remember much. You have alternate. But only for the interview point of view, when you're going as experience, this is mandatory. Keep in mind. Research some more things on YouTube as well. Gain some knowledge from other YouTubers as well. Last thing about server side of the operation. Some websites, I used to have a website. It is no more, it is expired. And it's going to something else. Okay, so this website was in such a way. Let me try something else. Actually, control tabs, it's gone. Yeah. We used to run this website, now someone else is running it. www.kernelcabs.com. See, the www is going now. There is no www. So this website is maintaining a non-triple W version. So there is no triple W. Non-triple W version. What happens if you maintain a non-triple W version? And Google thinks www.kernelcabs.com and kernelcabs.com. Both are different, it will feel. This is different and this is different. But both the same. When you type them, both are going to the same page. Then what Google thinks is, this guy called kernelcabs.com copied content from www.kernelcabs.com. So let me punish this guy. He's punishing this guy means he's punishing this guy also. So your website have an issue because duplicate content, Panda update will be hitting you. So this is the problem. In this case, you have to tell the Google that we both are same. So how to convert non-triple W to triple W? This is called redirection. How to do this? Again, you are a WordPress website owner. Simple technique is call your, assume that your website is coming like this. There is no www is coming. Then what you can do is call your provider, Bluehost or GoDaddy, tell them that I'm facing this issue. Within 2 minutes, they'll fix the issue. Even we can also do it, but there is a problem, don't do it. Website only crash. Let them do it. But HTML people, they have to do manually. To do the manually, so only for the HTML people only all the problem. WordPress people, everything is good. To do this, they have to go to the website called htaccessredirect.net. So this is the website which will do the redirection part. So what I'm doing here is htaccessredirect.net. This is the website. Yes. htaccessredirect.net. Go here and whatever the website have a non-triple W. So as of now, we've seen that kernelcabs.com have a problem. So let us take that website only. You don't have triple W, copy it and paste the URL. You don't need to add HTTPS, normal website name we added, kernelcabs.in. So what are we doing? Rewrite to triple W. Don't select anything, scroll down, generate a code. I'm telling to this website that my website doesn't have a triple W, so please rewrite to triple W. People who know coding, they can do the coding. We don't know coding, right? That's why we are depending on these things. This automatically will write the code for you. There is a code coming. This is in XML language. Try to see the code, rewrite to triple W. Rewrite kernelcabs.in, is it? Okay. Kernelcabs.in to triple W kernelcabs.in. We're giving a hint. And rule is 301. 301 means permanently. Okay. 302 means temporary. In only this direction should be for 90 days. Let it be like this. Now this code, this file, we have to submit to the root folder. So for that, what we do is again, we save it in a notepad and we should save like this only. Save as .hpaccess. And what are the file we got it? This file we have to submit to the root folder. Now see, now we have 3 files. Sitemap, robots, .htaccess. These 3 files are very, very important to the server. One is for checking the each and every page. One is what pages to not index. One is that if you have a non-triple W version, how to convert to triple W. Luckily, as we are a word, the company. So make utilize of the time.